Someone's WhatsApp message was seen, but there are no blue ticks on your iPhone? This can happen for a few reasons, like privacy settings or network issues. In this video, I'll explain why this happens and how you can fix it. So, without wasting any more time, let's get started. Before moving on, make sure you have a stable internet connection. Try switching between Wi-Fi or mobile data. Turn on and off airplane mode. After trying these basic settings, try these advanced solutions. Solution 1. Enable read receipts. Open up the WhatsApp app on your iPhone. Then tap on the settings icon from the bottom right corner. After that, tap on privacy. Find the read receipts. Make sure to toggle it on. Now you can see who has read your messages and when with blue ticks. Solution 2. Clear WhatsApp cache. Open up settings, then tap general. Next, tap iPhone storage. Now scroll down and find the WhatsApp app. If you can't find the WhatsApp app here, next tap on WhatsApp, then tap offload and again tap offload. After that, tap reinstall. Solution 3. Enable background app refresh. Go to the settings app, tap on general, scroll down, tap on background app refresh. Again, tap on background app refresh. Now select Wi-Fi or Wi-Fi and cellular data from here. Then go back, scroll down, find the app. Make sure to toggle it on. Now go ahead and check whether your problem is solved or not. But if you still have the same issue, then try the next solution. Solution 4. Reset network settings. Open settings, tap general, scroll down, then tap transfer or reset iPhone. After that, tap reset. Now tap reset network settings. This will reset settings like Wi-Fi password but won't delete your data. Then enter the passcode of your iPhone if it wants. Tap reset network settings again. After the resetting network, go ahead and check whether your problem is solved or not. Hope you found this video helpful. If you did, then drop a like. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel. And if you have any kind of questions, then feel free to write them down in the comment section. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.